If you're looking into trading VPS services in 2026, you've probably seen the different plans offered by QuantVPS, especially the Pro and Pro Plus options. But here's the real question: what's the actual difference between QuantVPS Pro versus Pro Plus, and which one should you really use? Because on the surface, they can look very similar. But in real trading conditions, the difference can be much bigger than you expect. So let's break it down clearly so you don't choose the wrong plan. First, both Pro and Pro Plus are built for the same purpose: running trading platforms with low latency, high uptime, and stable performance. That means no matter which one you choose, you're getting a VPS optimized for trading environments like NinjaTrader or MetaTrader. But the key difference is how much load each plan can handle. Let's start with QuantVPS Pro. This plan is designed for traders who want a reliable and simple setup without needing extreme performance. With Pro, you typically get solid CPU performance, enough RAM for one main platform, stable execution for everyday trading in real-world use. This means you can run NinjaTrader smoothly, use several charts and indicators, execute trades without major delays. As long as you're trading manually or using light automation, Pro will feel fast and stable. That's why it's perfect for beginners, intermediate traders, anyone running a single account. And of course, one big advantage is the price. It's more affordable, which makes it a great starting point. Now let's move to QuantVPS Pro Plus, where things get more interesting. Pro Plus is designed for traders who need higher performance and more flexibility, especially under heavy workloads. With Pro Plus, you get more CPU power, more RAM, better multitasking performance, and this is where you really start to feel the difference. Because with Pro Plus, you can run multiple platforms at the same time, use several automated strategies or bots, keep many charts and indicators open, trade across multiple accounts without slowdown. Everything feels smoother, especially when your setup becomes more complex. Now here's something very important that most people overlook. It's not just about running your platform, it's about how your VPS performs when the market gets intense. During high volatility, your system has to process more data, more updates, and more actions at the same time. If your VPS is underpowered, you might experience lag, freezing, delayed execution, and in trading, even a small delay can impact your results. That's why Pro Plus isn't just about performance, it's about consistency under pressure. Now let's compare them directly in a simple way. QuantVPS Pro is best for manual traders, single platform setups, light to moderate usage. QuantVPS Pro Plus is best for automated trading, multiple strategies running at once, traders who want maximum stability. So the real decision comes down to one thing: how heavy is your trading setup? If your setup is simple, Pro is more than enough. But if you're stacking tools, running bots, or planning to scale, Pro Plus gives you the extra power you'll eventually need. Now here's a common mistake many traders make. They start with the cheaper plan thinking it's good enough. And it is, at the beginning. But then they add more indicators, more charts, more strategies, and suddenly, the VPS starts slowing down. At that point, upgrading becomes necessary anyway. So a smarter approach is to think ahead. Pro is great for getting started, Pro Plus is better for long-term growth and scaling. Now let's get to the final conclusion. Which one should you use in 2026? If you want a simple, cost-effective setup that works well, go with Pro. If you want more power, smoother performance, and room to grow, go with Pro Plus. At the end of the day, both are solid options. But the right choice depends on how serious you are about your trading and how complex your setup is going to be. Because your VPS isn't just a background tool. It's the system running everything behind your trades. And choosing the right one can be the difference between smooth execution and costly delays. If this helped you, let me know. Are you running manual trades or automated strategies on your VPS?